You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from Greek mythology that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you like learning. In English it is said as Kronos, Kronos, or it can also be said as Kronos, Kronos, or Kronos, 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 or Kronos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.